with Juan, and he is repairing a Ford F-150 truck. He's in our aluminum stall here, and he put in all these pegs, as you can see. And the reason why is he's going to be attaching a dent puller to all of these pegs to pull out the dent, and then he will simply, I asked him earlier, what is he going to do about all these holes? And he said that he will basically cut these off so the metal from this will fill that hole, and then they make the repair. So we're getting ready to pull the dent now with some of those pegs he installed.
So aluminum tends to crack, so we're gonna put some heat. But we cannot heat the aluminum more than 425 Fahrenheit. So we really don't need too much.
How do you know when it reaches the level of heat you need?
We'll have this stool here.
Oh.
Right now, say 76. Once we put heat on it, it will increase.
What's the temperature? Or you don't have it?
Yeah.
102? How do you know when it's ready?
Oh, I'm looking over here in the panel,
Yes.
and then you could see as tight this is pulling the whole panel.
So you're slowly
Coming out.
pulling it?
Yeah, slowly pulling it, because if I try to do it with this slash hammer, I would just rip off the top.
Oh.
So that's why we're using the heat and then slowly pulling it out.